there has been a very big event. Natiria bere gukoro iguku. But for some reason this time, I don't know take the interest na muno. It has been there before.
By the way,
there was another one at Kasarani, the Rhema Feast.
Yes. It's not a fest, it's a feast.
It's not Rhema Fest.
No, it's not festival.
It is Rhema Feast.
Feast. There Kyugo. Exactly.
Oh, yes. Erakiria Uhuru Park. Yes. Dinarutiro posta nyingi.
Asa.
Dinari na Alibad.
Na dinari na USSD.
Dinari na tickets ya Die Hard.
Na group of 10.
Irari na billboards.
Billboard
all over.
Yes.
Ashona do igetura aliga kwa tiri. Adwe marathie ku near.
Maraumako.
Because there were so many.
Very many.
Oh yes.
Yes.
And I think it was like was it 4 or 5 days mudhoni?
Ilianza Monday up to Friday, I believe.
Yes.
Sasa
hizo siku tano za kwanza 3 tulikuwa tunaangalia.
Sio ule hara iho ni ule korathie.
Ukariwo gondo ku kwena andu ithemba kiure. I need to
nego thie ne gwikinya guo. Ona ndeona gira dikeragwo.
Yes. Riu kuma gatatu ne turathie atu thuraku. Hau no turahengeka kidaga.
Kaja ithwe. Yes.
Nego ku gutiraugago hallelujah. Hallelujah. Yes.
Agotira na wapi ndulu?
Hapana.
Agokwa na ndulu.
Motia na mundu wa keyboard na wetha tu. Ya murekia ro muri gwaranyita raini.
Acha.
Gotira heana gwate mundu wina uira. Program yao ne ya?
Neo. Yes.
Ona gucia mundu raheirwo ru atari program iniri. No chief general commander.
Of course.
Yes.
Nana keniando.
Nduinake ru aruragia miena yothe. Comedy tikihunjio.
Na nyina tatugagira ciake stage.
Yes. Aikana kwa makiona.
Yes.
Naenda sinyado. Na ndegwa gwana arahothire kindu kiega maita meri. Sasa kufika kule hiyo Rhema Feast hiyo. Tukapewa ile karatasi ya kutoa sadaka. Ile pay bill yao. Sasa mimi kuweka yangu nikaweka 20,000. Haikunirudishia. Nikasema labda ni network niweke tena. Sasa kukuweka tena hii 20,000 ikarudisha zote mbili. Sasa nikasikia kulifasi. Sasa mke wangu ndio aliniuliza ulifasi sadaka.
Aiwete wazokia.
Mke wangu akaniuliza ulifasi sadaka. Nikaona sasa hiyo kwa sababu nilienda kule na majienzi wote wakanipenda. Nilifurahi sana kule. Rhema Feast re. Ndu irahingire. Tondu gutiriri higari atenema.
Na gutira na makinya maria maheci.
Gutiari higari atenema. Ningwihida hari well.
No.
Gutiano hai ni atire. Igia we moja
wakada.
Gotire hado. Hai na gonye boya to ise ibuku. Na cia mutaratara. Mai na to some worship song.
Yes.
The Spirit of the living God is upon me now. Because he has anointed me to preach good news. Ukona beke ndo ana to ndo haria. Uthi to arana ruori. Ukaigua na rwacia jia ton.
Oga froti.
Okay, well, let's all come together for this wonderful song. Lord, prepare me to be a sanctuary, tried and tested. Well, Indamu, yes.
So, yes.
Naive sagwe tukiluka.
Aiwe changwe.
Alivyo ndo mutaratara kile wako ule. You are thrown under the bus.
Yes. Igene kwera turero nagera. Ona tueko physically.
Yes.
You see, tumenyete iye tanga crusades. Yes, na crusade ethia kuringana uria kuhana kou. Kuria mwatwara crusade.
Na rure twarwo especially twaigire ni kurathire wega. No he andu turathio tukana ta wanatutupa kidogo. Tondu hatia andu maruga bariki.
Tukira tu moko igoro.
Yes.
Hakuna.
Ni twenda andu mundu akibodi na gitakambia teng 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 teng.
Kororia.
Ai de watuaga nice.
Yes. Na tukira tu tenga sibo to hiurie.
Wega biu.
Hoko gotirare.
Naga nä rä nä agerio na Uhuru Park nä andå marutä te thimå. Yes. Let me tell you.
It was good.
Rhema Feast. Sio Rhema Feast. Na sio Gemi. Yes.
Hapana.
Iko tu class yao. And it has been here. I remember the Kasarani one.
Yes. I believe the next one will be even bigger.
Yes.
Oh,
it will be bigger.
Yes.
This one I think was so far the biggest.
So far, yes. Yep.
Absolutely.
Yeni. Metoku na tugweterera.
Topu gino mare turehere kanyanya-ini.
Akona kawa ikara.
Kana mukangu. Ni kuri haro.
Kanyine bede nari kia muingi.
Yes. Ona hare iyo ri. Hare iyo no mokire cukuru. Primary. Yes. It was the Rhema Feast.
Feast, not fest, not festival. It was a feast.
Yes.
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
Yeah, Hugo.